Let's see how you can actually build custom AI agents for your own business on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, SMS, even on other separate channels, and set specific model priorities as well. For example, when building your AI agents, here you have the option to set up different models and set up the priority order as well. For example, if OpenAI fails for some reason, that means any AI models from this OpenAI will fail due to their outage. In that case, if you want to use a different AI model to generate a response, here you can use that one. Suppose if you want to set the Google Gemini as the second priority AI models, you can simply use these arrows over here and set it as well. So that's what we are going to see, how to set these AI model priorities. So here I'm in a demo account with all these channels connected. So whatever the AI agent we build here will simply work on all these connected channels. And for the SMS and voice, you can simply grab a Twilio phone number and connect it on our platform. And here, if you go to the help center, in the help center we have the guides on how to connect each channel. So it will take just a few seconds to connect your Instagram. Just log in and simply connect. And if you're wondering how to connect a phone number for the SMS automations, again you grab the phone number from Twilio and simply connect it on our platform by entering these details. That's it. So it will take just a few seconds to connect the channels over here. And if you want to use or build AI agents, then you need to actually connect the API keys as well from the OpenAI, Google Gemini, Claude AI, xAI, even we support DeepSeek as well. So here you need to grab the API keys from these platforms. So here we have the links to grab, how to grab the API keys and how to connect it on our platform via settings, integrations, and here you need to enter the API keys. That's it. And likewise you need to do the same thing for other AI models as well. And you can also build AI agents with just one AI model from the OpenAI if you want, but we recommend using at least 2 or 3 AI models from different platforms if one AI model fails as well. Alright, so here once you have connected the API keys from 1 or 2 AI models, here you can go to the AI hub over here and create an AI agent. So here we have already created one about the painting company, so we are going to use that one. Okay, so let me open this particular painting company information. So here we have all the information about that specific painting company called as Premier Paint Professionals. So it has all the information, the services they provide, the pricing information, and other details as well. So likewise here you can use this particular prompt generator tool over here. Enter your website address, grab all the information from your own website and create a prompt as well. And here when creating the AI agents, you can also create specific functions as well. So for example, here we have created a function called as request painting service and activated that particular function right here to collect a specific customer details as well. So what happens is that when a particular customer asks any sort of questions, it will respond, and at some point it will trigger this AI function and collect specific details as well when they're actually interested in any of the painting service. And now if you are wondering how to set the model priority, you have to click on this particular settings icons over here, and here you have the option to set specific model priority. For example, let's say I want to use GPT-5 mini, and suppose if the OpenAI server is down or it's failed, you can choose the next available model. So here you can use Claude or Google Gemini or xAI. So let's use Claude, and here for the Claude I want to use, let's say I want to use the 3.5 model. And let's say imagine if the OpenAI fails and also the Claude model fails, then you can have the option to set up the third AI model, which is Gemini. So here you can set different AI models right here so that your AI agent will be there forever. And here you can even set the temperature as well and the max tokens as well. And here you can actually set up the reasoning effort and the verbosity as well. Alright, so once you have made all these settings, you can simply click save over here. So this is set up as the default agent as well. So here you can set for any agent as the default agent, and it will simply respond to the user message using the available business prompt right here. And if you're wondering how to create the functions, go to AI tools, AI functions, and here you can actually create any functions as you like. So for example, request painting service, for that we actually collect a particular customer name, phone number, service type, and also once these details are collected, we actually send them to this specific flow named as painting service new request. So let me go to that specific flow and see what we have over there. So painting service new request. So here we send them a message saying thanks, one of our agents will contact you soon, and we actually assign the conversation to a specific agent chatting media, and also send them a notification as well to that specific agent saying new service request, this is the phone number and this is the service type, so that they can actually call the customer or do whatever the things they can do. So another important thing is that even if you set this as the default agent, you have to come back to the settings over here, integrations, make sure the AI auto reply is switched on for the OpenAI, and if you want to use other AI models in based on the priority, then you have to make sure this is switched on as well. And for example, Claude, this is switched on as well. All right, and again xAI, this is switched on as well. So then only it will simply work based on those priority we have set up right here for this specific AI agent right here. And if you are using the OpenAI ChatGPT, you have the option to send voice notes as well. For example, the bot will auto respond with voice if the user send a voice note message, and here you can set up specific voice notes as your voice message, and here you can set up specific voice as well. So this will actually trigger only if they send a voice note, and here based on our AI agent priority we have the OpenAI as the number one. So let's see how this actually works, and let me test this on Instagram and see. So let me share my phone screen over here and send a message over here saying what services do you provide. So here I'm asking about the services that they provide, and let's see how this actually sends us a response over here. So here it's showing this typing animation, so we are going to receive a response shortly. Alright, so here we receive the response. It says we offer residential and commercial interior painting, including these are services, so on and so on. We also provide service prep, these are the things. Alright, so it simply sends us the response over here. And now if you're wondering if I send a voice note over here, let's see how this actually works. So let me record a voice note over here. What services do you provide? So here in this case we have activated the auto response using the voice note, so this should actually send us a response back in the voice note. We received the voice note, so let me play this one and see.
Provide residential and commercial interior and exterior painting, walls, trim, cabinets, ceilings, specialty finishes, faux, Venetian plaster, metallics, surface prep repairs, power washing, stucco/wood repair, caulking, specialty coatings, epoxy floors, pool deck, anti-graffiti, restoration emergency services, water fire mold, and eco-friendly low-zero VOC options, plus color consultation and maintenance programs. Our teams also handle commercial bidding, large-scale projects, and warranties, insurance-backed workmanship.
So that was the response I received over here. So let's check for the model priority. So in this case, I'm going to go to the settings over here, and let me just disconnect the OpenAI. So the OpenAI is no longer connected. So now the responses will be generated based on the other priority model we have set up right here in the AI agents. So now let me send the same question over here so that we can actually see how the response looks like. So the previous response was generated using the OpenAI. Now it should actually use a Claude AI model, I guess. So now let me go to the AI hub, this one, and see it's using it's going to use the Claude 3.5 Sonnet model. All right, so here let me share my phone screen, and we receive the response. So it says we offer comprehensive interior exterior painting services for both residential and commercial properties, including specialty finishes, cabinet painting, restoration work, eco-friendly options. So here I send this. I'm interested in the exterior painting options. How to request a quote? We simply receive a response. It says we offer exterior painting for homes, commercial buildings, etc. Just provide your name and phone number and the service type, or call us at specific number for quick estimate. Would you like to start the quote now? So let me say yes. Exterior painting for garages. Okay, let me provide all these details and see what happens. So now it should simply say, thanks, one of our agents will contact you soon, and assign the conversation to the specific agents, and they will actually get notified through the mobile app if they have. Otherwise they can actually receive notifications from different channels like SMS, email, etc. Alright, it says, thanks, one of our agents will contact you soon. So now if you go to the unified inbox, you can track the conversation just happened, John Justin, and you can find the details, the name, the phone number, and also the service type, exterior painting for garages. And here this is already assigned to chatting media, and here you see this, and here from here, and agent can easily send any sort of message, and when an agent send a message, that will post the chatbot as well, so it doesn't create any sort of confusions. So all those conversations should be handled manually from the agent itself, and after that they can also manually transfer this conversation back to the bot as well. So go to this human folder over here and transfer this conversation back to the bot as well, so that from there the AI chatbot will handle those conversations as well. So that's a quick video on how you can build AI agents and set model priority. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.